This is a Batman utility belt review. We'll start from this and work our way down. Inside, we got Black Cats. There's 3 packs in here, and a pocket knife. Bunker Busters. I honestly don't remember why I have these, but I got this when I was a kid and I just stuffed it full of fireworks and just stuff that I thought Batman would have. Don't judge me. And like these little snappers. I think that's what they're called, snappers. I don't know. And this one we have a ton of, like, I can't remember what these are called. Some of them I put in here have 2 fuses, like that. I gotta fix those. I'll fix those later. These are M60 firecrackers. Got a pouch full of that. There's nothing in this pouch. I gotta find something for this one. This one I made out of some rope and 2 Batman fidget spinners. Yeah. And wouldn't be Batman without some batarangs. Thanks for watching.